Giggles and grapes.
Hi juniors, it's time to guess the riddles. I am soft and yellow, and you can find me in a field. I am a favorite for breakfast, and I am also good for a meal. What am I? I am a corn. I am tall when I am young, and I am short when I am old. I glow and make light. What am I? I am a candle. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I? I am fire. I am green, and I am small. I like to hop and bounce. What am I? I am a frog. What has a bed but never sleeps, and runs but never walks? What am I? I am a river. What starts with T, ends with T, and has in it? What am I? I am a teapot. I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water. What am I? I am a map. I am white when I am dirty and black when I am clean. What am I? I am a chalkboard. When I am ripe, I am green. When you eat me, I am red. And when you spit me out, I am black. What am I? I am a watermelon. I have no wings, but I can fly. I have no eyes, but I can cry. What am I? What am I? I am a cloud. I get wet when drying. I get dirty when wiping. What am I? I am a towel. I can jump and I can climb. With my many legs I swing from tree to tree. I can make a house much bigger than me. What am I? I am a spider. I am brown and green, and home to many. I give shade and shelter when it rains and is sunny. What am I? I am a tree. I am something that you cannot use until it is broken. What am I? I am an egg. I have 2 eyes in the front and a lot of eyes on my tail. What am I? I am a peacock. This video is in collaboration with Kokomo and Candyland Bubble Pop.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.